Happy Friday again. It's Gail from BERNINA of Naperville. And guess what? As certain as taxes, we got more stuff this week. And I hope you're going to love it. We love it, but we just want you to buy it. That's right. We have too much stuff. So just a reminder, if you come and shop in store, if you buy a yard of fabric, you get a free fat quarter of your choice. What does that mean? If you buy 24 yards of fabric, you can get 24 fat quarters. Sounds crazy, right? Hey, and we also have an ever-growing clearance section, and I'm going to show you that. And what? Yes, okay, I'm shutting up now. Let's start out with this really cute collection from Benartex. It's called Soul Shine, and there is a really nice panel that goes with this. I'll show you that in just a minute. So that just came in this week. Also, we have, I think I showed you this last week, but this is just really cute. This is from Dear Stella, a lovely little gender-neutral baby collection. And then as we go back here, we can see we got some new panels from Sherry Guidry, and this is a collection that's dedicated to sewing. And then this is the rest of the collection. It's cute. There's thimbles and buttons. No, buttons. There's thimbles and sewing machines. And then I like some of the fabrics that coordinate, like this one back here that has the feather design on it. I mean, that would be good to try your free motion quilting. Oh, and let's not forget, as we get up here, I wanted to show you this panel. So this is the one from the Soul Shine collection, and there's actually two faces on it. Amy's making this into a quilt, so you're gonna see that soon. I'm also working on my Dwell in Possibilities at home. I'll show you that collection in case you forgot. So this is the Dwell in Possibilities from Moda. And then you can see there's the pattern that I'm working on. And then over here is actually, now this is going to be totally full, but this is what's come so far. So we ordered the Aurifil 12 weight cotton thread, and I can't wait to use this in my serger and do some top stitching with it and just other fun stuff. Maybe even some hand stuff. I kind of got the bug to do a little TV time handwork. We also have some pre-cuts, fat quarter bundles, some layer cakes, and all of that. And then, you know what? You wonder what this ruckus is over here? Well, I'm not 100% sure. Amy's making room for the clearance section. But so far, we've got some cool stuff in there. That's all I can show you. You'll have to come in the store and see the rest. And just added to the clearance section is Sunday in the Park by Stacy E. Shu. Now, I love this collection. What I really want to make with this is an Irish chain with a bunch of scrappy pinks and greens from this collection. And, you know, these are skinny bolts, so I'm pretty sure this is going to go pretty quickly once we add it to the clearance section. So you might want to hop right. Oh, and one more thing. Our Tula section is getting what I would call a little lean. And don't worry, we are going to have a lot of Tula, but we need to make room for some new stuff. You know, she's got that Curiouser and Curiouser collection coming out, and we ordered a lot more true colors and some go widths with that, so we have to make sure that we have room for that, or else, you know, we're gonna just have to put stuff out on the sidewalk. And then finally, don't forget, we have Gasly's from Alexander Henry. We've got some select bolts left of that. Well, hey, did you see something that you liked? Did you see something you're going to pounce on right after you see this video? Well, just so you're aware of what's in the store, but as well as what's going on our YouTube channel. So we are uploading a video to show you how to do pattern repetition and pattern elongation. on your 3 series and your 4 series and up. And I made this cute little necklace when I did that. There's also some other things that I'm going to show you in that video. So that one's a quickie. And then we have some others coming out on cover stitchology, so that when you're using your Bernina or your Bernette cover stitch machine, you'll kind of have some tips to, you know, what is the best stitch to use when you're hemming your t-shirts and things like that. So that's coming up. But yeah, by the way, we still have 6 quilts to bind here, so I'm going to sign off and get working on that. But in the meantime, why don't you check out our Bernina of Naperville YouTube channel? It's easy. It's youtube.com/Bernina of Naperville. And there, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to our channel, because then you'll get all the information every time we upload a new video. And then we also like to hear your feedback and what you have to say. And then, of course, you can share it out with your friends. And if you want an alert every time we upload something, just click the little bell. But thanks a lot. Happy Friday. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon. Hey, I'm sorry. I had to just do it. So this is True Kisses. It just came in from Figo, which is a division of Northcott Fabrics. There's more in here. There's 3 boxes. Let's peek over here. Yeah, there's some 108-inch wide fabric. So, yeah, just wanted to give you a little peeky peek.